Sige.
Paano mo malalaman kung yung tsokolate pang lalaki o pang babae?
Paano?
Pag pang lalaki, plain. Pag pang babae, may mani. Paano mo palalambutin yung bato?
Palalambutin yung bato.
Di ba matigas yung bato, di ba? Paano mo palalambutin?
Paano?
Bigay mo sa bading. Magiging bato.
Welcome to an episode of Dashboard Confessions. Everyone,
Hi, guys.
please welcome my co-host Ron and
Yes.
my other co-host Francis, who was my elementary classmate. Now, for my awesome guest.
Yes.
There's a reason why Francis is here, by the way, because
I was
of our
shocked
guest. Yeah.
I didn't know.
Yeah, I didn't know you were coming today. So, our guest for today is my elementary teacher. Our elementary teacher. Yes.
Oh,
Art.
elementary.
Yeah. Grade 5. But you probably know him today as a book writer, as you can see.
Yes.
Maybe a
His
book
books.
writer. Maybe a movie producer. Pwede na ba yun? Not a
Producer. My book was made into a movie.
A car reviewer at Phil Coche. A podcaster from the Underpaid Podcast.
Yes.
Yes. A comedian, a love advisor. Are you still a love advisor?
Oo naman. Gusto mo
Yeah.
bigyan kita love advice.
Yun, sakto kakasal.
Everyone, please welcome Mr. Stanley Chi.
Thank you. Hello.
Hello.
Kulang yung intro mo sa akin.
Ano pa?
Host.
A host.
Oo, host
A host.
din.
Oh, yeah, sorry. A host. And of course, as you can see, a supporter of our company, Vespa. He rode a Vespa.
Yes.
He's riding the beautiful Shark helmet, the safest helmet in the world. Shark helmet. The beautiful Falco boots and the Segura
Oh,
jacket.
yeah. Diba?
Yeah, complete.
Perfect.
Naka-ACCS
CS
pa
na
ako.
mount. Yung mount
diba?
pa.
Naka-push lock pa siya.
Oo.
If you show the back of your phone,
Ayan, oh.
if you please.
Yan.
Oh yes, that's a quality of a quad lock, guys. So for those getting a quad lock for over 1,000 pesos, get your ACCS,
Yan.
your push lock at
Yes.
ACCS
Alam mo,
for only 400 pesos or
Grabing
399.
support ako sa iyo, pero
Thank you
That's
so
not bad.
much.
That's not bad.
wala man lang ako nakuha discount.
Don't worry, you're gonna get a discount on your next purchase.
Sana magpa-jacket ka naman, di ba?
I got you.
Matagal na ako nag-aantay dyan.
Magpa-riding jacket ka naman.
One day we will get your. Of course, gagawin natin yan. Thank you for guesting here. I'm gonna cut it off your paycheck.
Medium ako medium Sa helmet, large ako.
Yeah.
Yan
From all the things I said, what would you consider yourself the most?
Love advisor.
Hindi naman. It's more of I'm a humorist. I'm a humorist kasi I deliver my jokes in different ways.
Correct.
Pwede sa stand-up, pwede sa hosting, pwede sa comic strips, pwede sa podcast, and then sa books. I used to be a columnist for FHM nga pala.
Wow. Kamusta naman yung experience?
Yeah.
I just
was
email my
experienced.
my articles.
Okay.
Tapos kukuha lang ako ng cheque pag pupunta ako ron. I've never joined the photo shoots.
Talaga?
Why?
That's
Never
a
ako
missed
naka-
What's
opportunity.
wrong with you?
I'm not a regular employee sa Summit.
Yeah, but
Ako,
You gotta put in the
columnist ako
extra
eh.
work.
Oo. Yun.
Pero you're invited to those
No.
shoots. Ano din?
That's sa website ako sa sa magazines.
I see.
Willing ako maghubad para sa FHM, sabi ko sa mga kasama ko.
That's a pass.
They
Hindi nila
Sabi ko,
kinuha.
willing ako maghubad.
Sayang.
Sabi sa akin ng editor, huwag ka na maghubad, babayaran ka namin.
Ron is willing to hubad din, no?
Hindi na, pass. Wala nang maaakit.
Babayad siya para hindi maghubad.
Pwede ka sa Viva Max.
Oo nga Viva Max.
Oo.
Hindi mo na-try tanongin ng Viva Max.
Gusto ko nga maging director ng Viva Max eh.
You tried? You legit?
No.
Okay, who is your favorite Viva Max star right now? Who's the best?
Dami na.
The best saan?
Sa
Sige.
sa acting. I know my answer. Naging guest ko na siya.
Sino ang favorite mo, ikaw?
I don't. Okay, to be clear, I don't watch Viva Max. I promise to the Lord Jesus Christ.
Ikakasal to.
Talaga,
Ikakasal to
talaga.
sa lagay na to.
Talaga.
Yes, I do not watch Viva Max.
Eh, ba't alam mo? Ba't kilala mo yung mga artista?
Oh, because
At saka paano ka nagkaroon ng differentiation?
Oo nga.
Viva Max, I had to research because I had a guest. Okay,
Sino
our
guest mo
guest
nun?
was Rob Ginto.
Si Rob,
Yeah, a couple of.
months ago.
Do you watch
Months
Viva
ago.
Max, Francis?
No.
We're your students. What do you think? You taught us well. What's wrong with you?
To be honest with you, this is kind of awkward kasi parang parental figure ke. So parang, okay, like, sige.
Graduate na
Daddy
kayo
figure.
eh.
Oo nga.
Ano, 18 and above na kayo. Ilan taon na kayo?
28.
28. Oh, same age? 28. Oh.
Yes,
Naging mag-classmates ba kayo?
we are classmates.
We are
How could you
classmates.
forget?
Kasi
You're the teacher.
sa grade 5, dalawang section eh. Or grade 4 ata. Basta meron,
Anong grade?
may mga
We're only
levels
one
na,
section.
We were only one
Okay.
section.
Yeah.
Ano
Sa grade 4
kayo?
yun, malamang yung yung
Yeah.
classmates nila Robert, tapos may isa silang yung grade 4 ata yung may dalawang section.
I
Okay.
see.
Naalala ko si Francis nagkakarate yan.
Oh yeah.
Tapos yung nagkarate
still
siya.
do that.
Yung nagkakarate siya, nasira yung upuan.
He jumps up and down and does the split.
Kanina pinag-uusapan lang namin yung may nasira.
Oh my goodness.
Tapos naka-ano siya.
Nasira ako ng table.
Naka-Superman na siya, na
Shirt.
Superman shirt pero kulay red.
Oh, shock.
Tapos sabi ng teacher sa
Fake
kanya,
9 from China.
is that S for super? No. S for sexy. Sinabi niya.
Oh my goodness.
Tama naman yun.
Scandal.
Tama.
Oh.
Oo.
Tapos si
Si
Wayne, hindi pa Wayne ang tawag ko dyan.
Nathan.
Nathan.
Yeah, that's what they call me. Until now, Francis
He would
calls me Nathan.
call my attention. Kasi ang daming students papaturo mag-drawing, no? Bibigay siya ng piece of paper. Teacher, help me.
Sa klolo.
Okay, I'm bad at school. I'm not bad at art. I'm bad at
Tapos-
school.
There was a time na ako yung art teacher, tapos biglang pumasok si Teacher Maki.
Okay.
Parang may sinabi ata, pinagsabihan yata kayo or what, di ko alam, may na-announce. Si Nathan, tumatawa siya kasi I'm wearing a statement shirt. Ang nakalagay, kita nyo. Ganyan. Tapos,
remember
nagpo-point ako, tapos natatawa siya. Kinall out siya. Napagsabihan siya dahil tumatawa.
Tapos ikaw lang may alam nung tawa. Ba't ka tumatawa?
Kasi tumatawa siya because of my shirt. Ganun.
But I really have no...
But
Sino mga classmates
to
nyo
be fair,
nun?
Nathan, sobrang prangka niya. Like, wala siyang filter even growing up. Tapos, he would laugh at the most inappropriate time. Like, I
Sample
feel like
nga,
that's your
sample.
character flaw. Hindi ko kaya.
Ano ba yung
Si Nathan
sinabi
lang.
niya? Ano yung mga sinabi mo?
What?
Okay,
Saan?
ikaw
Mataas
yung
ang chance
nakakaalam
meron yun
eh.
eh.
Oo.
So example, remember like when we made one of our teachers, yung advisor natin, I'm not sure kung Teacher Jeff or Teacher Trisha,
Okay.
parang she was about to break down and you were asking, are you about to cry? I think you asked something like that. I think you asked something like that. Honestly, I feel like you were about to ask something
Parang
like
sure
that.
ako si Wayne yun.
Baka
Kasi
girl,
one
baka
time
girl
din,
yun.
pero one time din kasi si Nathan, like, do you remember yung about na magkaka-detention tayo, pero parang we escape getting detention kasi si Teacher Jeff parang wasn't able to complete yung evidence. We were throwing pencils at each other eh. Tapos we were like giving each other bruises na.
Shit.
Oo, I think you remember that.
Eh bakit
I remember fighting you a lot because you love to do karate.
Yeah. So parang one time, sabi niya, you guys don't get detention. We looked at each other, tapos tumawa talaga. Talaga, hindi tayo naka-detention. And that's the day na parang one of our classmates, I think it's Daniel, naka-detention siya. Tapos we were about to get one.
Anong ginagawa niyo sa detention?
Wala.
Sleep.
Talaga?
Well,
Get
bawal
away.
matulog. You can't sleep
Oh yeah,
there.
yeah.
Ano
But,
dapat?
but nobody's guarding you.
Yeah.
Pero I mean,
You
dapat
just stay in
diba
the
you're
classroom,
doing something
quiet,
for
dark.
school?
Doing
Ganon?
nothing.
Dark?
Yeah.
Dark,
Nakapatay
walang
ilaw?
aircon.
Yes.
Yun ang detention nyo? Walang aircon?
Walang
One
kwenta
hour.
detention namin sa totoo lang.
Uy, may reflection naman yun.
Reflection time
yeah,
yun.
Like, why did I get detention? Because XYZ. Ayun yung pinaka namin. Slap sa kamay.
Yeah, ang bait, no?
Yeah,
Is it
they were super
how is
nice.
it compared to you growing up?
Yeah.
Hindi naman ganoon. Mabuti naman akong estudyante, hindi naman ako wala naman detention sa amin.
Okay, I have to make it clear because some people might not know what we're talking about and which school we were at. Okay, so Wayne Titan, kasi I have to get this out na. People always ask me,
Oh.
where do you study? Where did you study for high school or elementary? I'm like, damn. It's so frustrating because we went through, both of us.
Yeah.
I'm sure you too. We went through a lot of schools. So guys, for my friends out there who watch the show, I appreciate you guys. I studied at Xavier from nursery to grade 1. Nursery to grade 1. Why? Because I left Xavier, not because I was having difficulty. Not because I was stupid, but because I was dyslexic. Baliktad ang pagbasa ko ng words. Therefore, my mom enrolled me at Word Lab School. Word Lab School for people with dyslexia, with an ADHD. I have ADHD. He has ADHD. He's dyslexic too. So baliktad pagbasa namin. And mahina yung comprehension namin.
Paano nyo na-overcome yung ADHD? Yung ano nyo? Yung dyslexic ano nyo?
Through Word Lab School.
Yeah.
Thank God for
Thank
that
God.
school. And I hope that you guys open Word Lab School again. Kasi kawawa naman yung mga
Kawawa
tao
yung mga
na
dyslexic.
tulad namin na nahirapan
Ano
talaga.
yung mga letters na nababali-baliktad nyo?
B&D.
X-E-S.
X.
Ha?
Talaga?
Joke.
Parang iba yata yun ha.
Yung X,
B&D.
parang wala namang baliktad yung X.
B&D, usually B&D.
Hindi. Nababaliktad namin yung words. That's what
yeah.
dyslexic means. Nababaliktad namin. Like example, kung yung binasa ko yung plate number sa kotse, yung sa harap namin, yung kunwari ABC, nasasabing ko, BAC. Nagaganon ko paminsan. I don't know if you get that.
Yeah.
So para kayong ano, yung nakikita nyo yung sa
Baliktad.
ambulansya, yung baliktad.
Baliktad,
ganun.
yeah.
Yes.
Di ba yung sa ambulance, di ba?
Paminsan,
Baliktad, di ba?
paminsan, cab yung word, tas back yung mababasa namin. So that's how dyslexia is. After that, sa grade 6, nag-Montessori de San Juan ako, which was a fresh start, regular school.
May ano ka, mayroon ka mga classmates na babae ron.
Oh yeah. Ever since, co-ed ako.
But sa
Since I
Xavier,
left
hindi
Xavier.
Oo nga.
Ever since I left Xavier, co-ed
Okay.
ako all the way. So from grade 2 to grade 6, co-ed. From, hindi na ako na grade 7, nag-skip ako. Matalino kami.
May naging girlfriend ka na nag-aaral ka?
Sa college.
High
Saan
school, wala?
nag-college?
Sa UANP. So, kaya kung tinatanong where you studied, it's usually, diba, high school yung sinasagot. Ako lagi kong in-answer college. UANP. Because when you say, where did you study sa elementary, nakakalito, dalawang sagot dyan. Where did you study for high school? Montessori de San Juan. Saan yun?
Sa
Not in
San
Green
Juan?
Hill. Sa San Juan.
Yeah.
OB Montessori, yun yung iisipin mo, diba?
yeah.
Hindi. Montessori de San Juan ako. Saan yun? Sa San Juan. Pero yeah, sa P. Guevara kasi sa San Juan nun yung OB eh. So sa P. Guevara
Green
ako.
Hills naman yun eh.
It was owned by Gabby Concepcion.
Ha? Gabi Concepcion, yung artista?
Yes,
Talaga?
it was owned by them and the Arellana's. Yeah. So yeah, I
Ikaw,
wanna
saan ka
forget about
nag-aral?
that.
Saan ka nag-aral after Word Lab?
I went to Santa Rosa Catholic School sa Pasig.
Tapos, saan ka nag-college?
FU Makati.
You know what? I-interview ko na rin ba si Francis?
Wag na, like, ito yung main character.
Main character. Let's stick
Yeah.
to the main character. So yes, kami, yun yung pinagdaanan namin. Those are your two students. How about you?
Ako, from nursery to high school, Chiang Kai-shek College.
No. Sa
Akala ko-
teaching mo.
Akala ko,
Nang gugulo ka eh. Nandun na eh. Sana hindi mo na
Saka nag-aral eh.
Oo.
Diba?
Sana hindi mo na tinigil.
Go ahead.
Tapos college, UST.
College
Oo.
UST.
Yun.
Nice. Nakakalito, diba? Dalawa kang school.
Hindi naman.
Hindi, everyone goes to...
No, matino naman kausap
Chiang
ko yung
Kai-shek.
mga ano.
Okay.
Matino naman yung mga kausap ko.
Cool.
Yun. Okay, nagturo ako ng art. Hindi muna ako nagturo agad. I was a cartoonist for Manila Bulletin. Pero after yung
After
advertising...
college to.
No, after college, I worked in advertising. Tapos nag-comic strips ako for Manila Bulletin as a side
wow.
hustle. Then, I teach art for kids during summer.
Parang wala na. May ganun pa ba sa mga newspapers
Meron
ngayon?
pa, kaya lang most of the people, they don't read newspapers na eh. Nasa online na lahat.
Oh, yeah.
So, nung time na yon, may mga nagbabasa pa ng dyaryo.
Correct.
And then, I teach. Nag-kids at art ako, nagturo ako doon.
Oh, wow. Okay.
nag-train, doon ko natutunan yung mga alam ko sa pagtuturo ng art. Then, sa mga art galleries, dun sa My Little Art Place, nagturo ako dyan, after Word Lab, and then different small galleries na.
After Word Lab, nagturo ka sa art place ulit?
Hindi na. After Word Lab, My Little Art Place, siguro mga nakailang summer ako dyan. Tapos nagturo ako sa mga ibang schools, nakalimutan ko na yung name.
Okay.
And then, nung pandemic, matagal ko na hindi ginawa yung pagturo ng art eh. Nung pandemic, nagturo ako via Zoom.
Oh. Isn't it harder kasi Zoom?
Hindi, may whiteboard ako na
I see.
Tapos naka-Zoom yung mga kids.
Tapos kung hindi nakikinig, wala kang pakialam.
Hindi, nakikinig naman sila.
Oh, good.
Meron akong MWF, meron akong TTHS, meron akong morning and afternoon class. It's like a typical art lessons ng pang-summer. Pero ginawa ko nung pandemic. Kasi yung mga kids hindi naman lumalabas eh.
Correct. Yeah.
Tapos may mga students ako na every Saturday lang pumapasok. Ganun.
I see.
So you're more into art talaga, artistic, talaga.
Yeah, art. Pero after that, syempre nagsusulat ako. I used to be an art director sa advertising. I did stand-up comedy. Hanggang ngayon, stand-up.
Where do you do stand-up comedy?
Dyan sa Wicked Dog sa BGC.
Wicked Dogs BGC, yeah.
And then, schedule. My next schedule will be, I think, September. Baka teatrino ako eh. Di pa sure eh.
Okay,
Green
at the
Hills.
end of the show, we're gonna ask you to make a joke.
Yeah.
Talaga?
Yeah, come on.
Actually, I have a
But at the end of the show,
It works
question for you.
pagka on stage. Pag dito, yung mga jokes dito, yung mga hirit usually pag nag-uusap, di ba?
I see.
So, di ba, medyo artistic ka. How do you transition like yung pang-art ng kids to like the more adult side? Like, how do you like switch it on, switch it off? Ano yung parang atake mo sa ganyan? Kasi, yung jokes mo, parang if you're an art teacher of kids, parang mapapaisip ka like, how can you make like very salacious jokes? Alam mo yun, how do you switch from that?
I started as a wholesome na comedian. Kasi nga, I have a comic strip na pang bata. And then I teach art. Yung mga Filipino-Chinese jokes, yun yung mga ginagawa ko. Yung difference ng Pinoy tsaka yung mga Chinoy.
Okay.
Yun yung mga jokes ko dati.
The next question is, paano ka naging
So,
bastos?
Yeah. Ayun, how do you switch on from that and off?
I hosted on TV. Minsan medyo yung hirit ko medyo naughty ng konti. Natatawa yung mga tao sa akin. So, hanggang sa nagsulat ako humor books and then naging columnist ako ng FHM. Nung naging columnist ako ng FHM, hindi na ako masyadong tuturo ng art. Ganon. Kasi nga inisip ko, may mga estudyante ako nakakahiya.
akala ko namulat na sa ano eh.
There was a time na kinuha ako ng SK sa Wakwak.
SK, Sanggunian?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Para magturo ng art sa kids nung summer. Sa Wakwak tsaka sa Green Hills West. Doon sa clubhouse nila.
Yeah.
MWF TTHS. The kids, hindi naman nila ako kilala. Pero the parents, kilala nila ako.
Natakot mo yung mga parents?
Hindi naman. Namumukha nila ako kasi nga either they read FHM online or yung mga jokes ko na nakita nila nag-host ako sa TV, ganyan.
Parents na guys or girls?
Guys. Oo, guys. Kahit ngayon, I'm hosting for Phil Coche. I do yung mga car stuff.
Yeah.
Meron ako Suplado Motors where I-interview people about their
I'm
cars.
waiting for
or
my
their-
episode.
Oo. Hindi, lumabas yung episode mo.
Hindi ko pa
Ay, ikaw hindi updated.
Yung sa
Hindi ako
podcast
na-target.
mo. Yung sa podcast, lumabas na. Pero yung sa Suplado Motors, hindi ko pa na-edit yun.
See? I'm updated. I was looking for it.
Yung mga nakakakilala sa akin, mga tatay,
Syempre,
mga tito, ganyan. Tapos, ang sinasabi nila sa akin, gustong-gusto ko yung mga review mo kasi yung mga jokes mo natutuwa ako eh.
Like what?
Yung mga jokes ko na bastos.
sample.
Give us
No,
one,
it's
give us one.
it's
I know it comes naturally.
Yeah.
But what's a joke that everyone remembers?
yung powered tailgate. Pag pinapakita ko yung powered tailgate.
Look at him laughing. He gets it.
Sorry. Anyways.
Tapos mag-ano powered tailgate. Kaya ganun. Tapos minsan sasayaw pa kami, ganun. No?
I see.
Tapos pagka pinapakita ko yung likod, parang papaluin ko siya, kala mo puwet ng babae. Yung
Oh my gosh. Students that are watching. I'm
Tapos
sorry. This is not the Stanley you remember.
tapos tingnan mo ako, maluwag yung second row tsaka third row. Di syempre, may mga actions ako doon na parang nanonood ka ng Viva Max, di ba?
Wait,
I
sa
know
Phil Culture
I know
mo
all
to
of
ginawa?
this. Yeah,
Yeah.
sa Phil Culture, yeah. I've watched a lot of those.
Ang dami kong ginawang kalokohan doon na lalo na nung pandemic. And then may shirts pa, may t-shirt ako, picture ni Mia Khalifa.
Oh! Sino po yun?
Tapos picture ni meron akong t-shirt, picture ni Sasha Grey.
What? Sino yun?
Nakanganga siya, di ba? Tapos nakalagay love. Yung letter O, yung bibig niya.
I don't get it.
Ang cool eh.
Pero,
Ganon.
Actually, asa.
Tapos yung mga they're waiting for my statement shirts.
I'm a fan of those people.
Tapos yung mga hirit ko na mga jokes. Tapos yun. Kasi minsan may mga hate comments, ibang ginawa ko. At the end of every video, binabasa ko yung hate comments. Tapos nagre-react ako. So, nung ginawa ko yun, wala na masyadong naglalagay.
Buti na lang hindi ka na-affect. Kasi maraming car vloggers na-affect
Ako,
sa hate comments.
wala akong pake.
Actually,
Wala akong pake.
Actually, yung tatanungin ko from now hearing yung story, di ba, yung ganyan. How did you, like, from stand-up comedy and stuff, naging car reviewer ka?
Di ba nung pandemic, wala tayong ginagawa?
Oo nga,
Diba?
so doon ka nag-start
Mahilig ka talaga sa kotse.
Yeah. Naghanap ako ng online na pwede kong gawin.
Pala, senpai ng turbo.
Oo, yan. Aside from teaching art nung pandemic, I was hosting on TV. Naka-StreamYard lang kami noon sa bahay. So, naghahanap ako na ibang gagawin. Nagpa-podcast ako sa gabi. Sabi ko, pumunta ako sa Job Street, naghahanap ako, looking for a host, ganyan. Tapos, biglang nag-email sa akin. Sabi ko, wala man akong in-email na ganitong company.
Okay.
Siguro, after 3 months, siya nag-reply sa akin.
Oh, wow.
Eh, nag-lockdown na tayo noon. So, they wanted me to review a car. Sabi ko, ayoko bumaba sa bahay. Natatakot nga ako magka-COVID. I live alone. Kasama ko yung dog ko, ganyan. Tapos,
Hawak-hawak yung dog.
sabi nila, kahit anong kotse nakapark, sabi ko, hindi ko nga kilala yung kapitbahay ko eh. Bagong lipat lang ako dun eh. Tapos wala kasi akong parking nung time na yun. Wala akong parking. Ayoko mag-park sa kalsada. Kaya hindi ako bumili ng kotse.
Oh, okay.
Ang pwedeng i-park dun sa garahe nung landlord, scooter. Kaya ako bumili ng Vespa. Siyempre, bibili na ako ng scooter. Di maganda na, di ba? Bumili akong Vespa, di ba? Yun.
I see.
Tapos they wanted me to do a sample ng wala pa akong Vespa nun I bike every Sunday. Sabi niya, review your bike na lang. Parang kunwari kotse siya. Ganon.
Okay,
Tapos sa mga kausap ko, mga foreigners yung mga boss namin.
So parang audition on the time.
Yeah. Tapos sabi sa akin, mas natural. Sabi ko, can I speak Taglish? Sabi niya, pwede. Sabi ko, yun naman pala eh.
Pahirapan mo pa sarili mo eh. Diba?
Nagano na ako. Tapos papatawa-patawa ako, ganyan. 2 kami natanggap. Si Ref Bangsil yung isa.
I see.
Okay, yun yung
Yun.
kasama na.
That's how his Phil Coaches.
Yun. Tapos, 2 kami, sabay kami kinuha ni Ref Bangsil. And then, siya yung high-end. Ako, high-end naman si Ref eh. Nag-i-English siya, ganyan. Hindi siya nagjo-joke.
Seryoso.
Serious, matangkad, pogi, bata, ganyan. Ako yung typical na for the middle class, pababa na audience, ganyan.
Hindi naman. Siguro depends sa audience.
Tapos
mo.
kasi titingnan ko sino man nanonood ng car videos.
Correct.
So, I'm sure si Francis baka hindi nanonood ng car videos to.
For sure.
Hindi ka nanonood, di ba? Inaaral ko sino mga nanonood. Kaya yung jokes ko catered sa mga audience ng car videos. Ganon.
Talagang invested ka dun sa
Okay. So sa pandemic, you transitioned to cars. Pero yung podcast mo, matagal na yun, di ba?
That was pre-pandemic.
Pre-pandemic.
Siguro a few months before the lockdown.
Bakit underpaid? Did you feel underpaid kaya you named it underpaid?
No, kasi all employees, kahit malaki sweldo mo, isipin mo underpaid ka. You always want more, di ba?
Correct,
Gusto mo mas lumaki pa sweldo mo.
Yes.
So inisip mo, ang dami kong trabaho dito. Parang wala na to sa pay grade ko. Underpaid ako tsaka overwork.
I see.
Lahat ng empleyado ganun ang iniisip.
Correct.
It's relatable, and most of the podcasts na nakikita ko, pro-management. Sabihin, para maging boss ka, para may manager ka, ganito yung mga point of view, ganyan, di ba?
Yeah.
Walang podcast pang employees eh. So, yun yung podcast ko.
Okay.
It's more relatable sa typical na nagda 9 to 5 na office job. Tapos, hindi ko naman pinapagalitan yung mga employees. Binibigyan ko sila ng advice. Minsan magbibigay sila ng questions sa Facebook page
ng
ko.
advice, no?
No, they ask me for advice eh.
Okay.
Hindi ko naman pinangarap na magbigay ng advice. Marami nagtatanong sa akin.
Okay, ito yung tatanong ko. Since we're in the topic of advice, paano ka nag-start magbigay ng love advice?
May nag-message sa akin sa Friendster.
Okay.
Tatanong sa akin.
Ikaw pala yun.
Friendster.
Pa.
May mga nagbe-message sa akin.
Until now, you still give love advice?
May mga kasi I have a show nung pandemic sa 1PH, yung Feelings. Nagbibigay ako ng love advice doon.
Okay.
So may mga nagtatanong pa rin.
So,
pero pag yung sa underpaid, puro tungkol sa work.
Okay, yeah.
Ganun.
So, open ka ba ng podcast for love advice?
Mag-open
ka ba ng podcast for love advice?
kung pwede, di ba? Tapos
Pero yun yung uso these days eh.
Yeah.
Yung mga love advice. Kaya, yeah.
yun. Tapos syempre ako nire-real talk ko eh.
Yun yung real talk mo.
Okay.
Tas, ngayon, may mga nagtatanong sa akin, anong bibili nilang kotse?
Real talk, sa lahat ng mga advertising agencies na you've been with, is there somebody who actually underpays? You don't have to name really.
Marami.
Like, among the plethora of you've worked with, like, out of 5, ilan yung, like, actually underpaid your people?
Usually, mga small companies.
Yeah.
Medium size pababa.
Ay,
Sila yung nagtitipid eh.
Pag multinational yan, meron silang pay grade na dito, ganyan. Hindi ka tatawaran kasi sabihin, ang art director, ganito talaga sweldo. Lahat kayo pare-pareho.
So if you're in advertising, do you think people in advertising also look for love within the office?
Oo naman. Kayo
Di ba bawal yun?
Hindi, kayo magkakasama. Nasa creatives kayo eh.
It's bawal, but
Yun na nga.
It
Yeah, bawal
happens.
talaga.
That's
Pero
why I
if you're in
asked.
the creative, if you're in the creative field, okay lang. Hindi ganun ka-strict.
did you ever find love at work?
Yeah.
Parang nagsisi ako eh.
Agoy.
Ay, grabe.
Selosa kasi.
Ang pogi mo doon.
That talaga.
Caps on.
Well, someone
Sana
has...
all.
So now, are you single?
yeah. Oo.
For how long?
Tagal na.
Why?
Eh,
Is it a decision? Or
Parang
it
ano
hasn't
eh.
come back to you yet?
more of pagiging practical.
Oh.
Paano?
Hindi naman ako si Rico Blanco eh. So,
Okay.
Grabe na.
so
Grabe
ganun.
naman.
Hindi naman ako Rico Blanco, di ba? Oh, so, yun.
Okay.
Have you tried Tinder or
Huh?
Bumble? Yeah, no. Guys, like,
Put that in the
swipe
highlights,
right, but-
please.
Maraming
swipe right. You have to swipe right. Okay siya. Like,
Maraming yung parang, ang tawag dito? Ang tawag doon yung parang dito toong tao, nagka-catfish.
Catfish.
Catfish.
Maraming nagka-catfish doon eh.
Oh, well.
Yeah. Sa Bumble, it's more legit, I believe.
Hindi, sa Bumble, parang may nakikita ako. Mini-message ko, ginagamit yung picture mo.
Mas decente naman yung yung Bumble.
this is what you do. You go outside the app, tapos mag-video call kayo before you meet. Diba? Para alam mo kung catfish talaga.
You're getting advice from your student.
Hello, like brain power.
Hindi ba dapat mas kinikilala mo yung tao sa like inuman?
Hindi, huwag sa inuman.
Hindi, doon lalabas pag lasing siya eh.
Kasi, yung kakausap mo, pag pangit yan, pag lasing ka, gumaganda na eh.
Well,
Di ba?
Oh, ganun pala yun.
Kaya nga kaya nga hindi ako umiinom eh, para legit na hindi pa ako lasing, parang
Parang iba.
parang iba yung iba itsura mo sa picture tsaka sa personal.
Ang dami ganun eh. Daming nagfe-fake or
Tapos
lalo na
catfish.
uso na ngayon yung yung AI generated na pictures.
Ay, oo.
Damn, I'm sure.
Tsaka
madami ginagamit.
huwag kayo magkikita sa kunyari first meeting, huwag kayo magkita sa bar.
kasi
Madilim
baka
eh.
may
Hindi, madilim eh. Magkita kayo sa coffee shop.
Ayan.
Para mag-usap kayo, tapos maliwanag, makita mo kung ano itsura ng kausap mo, di ba?
I see. Okay.
Siyempre, sa bar,
Ko yun.
tugs-tugs yan. Sumasayaw kayo, ganyan, minom kayo, di ba? Party. Tapos mamaya, paglabas mo, ba't iba itsura mo? Parang hindi kayong kausap ko kanina.
Break yung love life mo. But you have to start with Bumble. Or
Bumble?
Tinder. Oo. Try mo na.
Yeah, but narinig ko sa mga tao, Bumble nga. Wala na ako narinig na Tinder. Kung pang mas bastusin yung Tinder for some
Talaga?
reason.
Really?
Pangbastusin ng Tinder.
Yeah.
Ba't alam mo?
Are you taking notes?
Nabalita ko kay si Ron eh. Kasi single siya for a long time. Lagi niyang kinukwento sa akin. Sa Tinder pa.
Single ka, Ron? Ilang taon na?
Dati.
Dati.
Ano itsura natin sa sa video? Kasi nasa
We
YouTube
look
to, di ba?
good. Yes.
Ano itsura natin sa video?
Guwapo. The way we look.
Patingin naman nung Kasi baka mamaya
Camera conscious ka
baka
pa
mamaya
niyan.
naka-slouch ako, nakakahiya.
Hindi, okay
You
lang
look
yan.
okay.
Basta relax lang.
Pero we'll take a break right now because this episode is sponsored by ACCS. Get the best products and the best accessories for your motorcycles. Look at this
Yes.
guy. This is the perfect example.
Walking
a
billboard.
model
Yeah.
of the ACCS brand.
Yes.
He's
Segura
wearing the
Falco.
beautiful Segura jacket. The
Yes.
Segura jacket is very casual. You know,
Hindi nyo
mo
akalain
kakalain.
na riding jacket.
Hindi nyo
yun.
kakalain na riding jacket
Diba?
siya.
Oo.
Yes, you can use it for casual events or riding. Ride in style, guys.
Yeah.
Get your Vespa and ride in style. Or your Triumph motorcycles. Or your Segway motorcycle. Another one is the beautiful, safe boots called Falco.
Falco.
Very safe, very stylish. You can go out with it on a casual day.
Yes, mukha lang siya leather shoes.
Also,
Okay.
you can go out with it on the farm. Parang boots siya.
parang boots.
Padalan mo nga ako nun. Size
Oh,
9 ako.
999.
Yes, sure. And also, of course, the beautiful
Yan, narinig nyo yan.
sharp
Yan,
helmet.
daw, ah.
The safest helmet in the world.
Padalan mo nga ako ng extra helmet. Isa lang
Large,
helmet ko eh.
You already
large,
have one.
large.
Oh,
Congratulations
large,
on your helmet. Guys, follow us on our social media pages, ACCS, Moto ACCS, and ACCS PH. Thank you very
Yes.
much. Now,
Thank
let's
you,
go
guys.
back to the show. Guys, I just want to say, look at this book. Can you grab the book? We have to talk about this book.
Binibigay ko para sa inyo yan eh. Luma na yan.
Thank you for giving us your old stocks. When are gonna make new ones?
Did you sign them?
Hindi pa nakasil eh.
May marker
So,
ako dyan.
Stanley Chi Office Petics. Politics or Petics, whatever it is.
It's Office Petics. This book, malakas ang benta niya. Kaya I was inspired to do the Underpaid podcast. My latest book, yung before the pandemic, was Love is Landian with Effort.
Gusto ko yung line
Diba?
na yun.
This is an interesting book. It's not for sale anymore.
Wala na.
Limited edition. We got it. I'm sorry.
Online copy.
Actually, I could sell it after I read it.
Papirma mo
I'm gonna jack up
muna
the
sa
price.
kanya.
Anyways,
Yun. My book, Men Are From QC, Women Are From Alabang, was made into a movie last May.
and he was a legendary cameo.
Yeah.
Nag-cameo ka doon.
Yeah, may cameo ako.
Have you watched Spider-Man? You know, every Spider-Man show, every Marvel show has Stan Lee in it. Every book he made has Stan Lee in it as well. Now that's a joke for you guys. So, guys, are you gonna make another book?
Kung pwede. Yeah, if there are publishers willing to,
You know, I have an idea. I'll talk to you about it later
Sige.
regarding writing a book.
Wait lang. So you need, I'm curious lang since you're making books. So you need a publisher pa for you to have to make a book. You can't do it like on your own.
Ayoko mag-self-publish kasi if you self-publish, you have to print at least 10,000 copies. Saan ko itatago yun?
Okay. Gets,
Diba?
gets.
So, now that one of your books became into a movie and nagka-cameo ka na, do you plan on becoming an actor?
Sinabihan ako ni Jano na kasi I'm hosting a show with Jano Gibbs eh. Sabi niya, pag may next movie siya, sali raw ako. Okay lang man sa akin eh.
So, you want to be an actor?
Yeah.
Something you aspire to be?
Comedian. Yun.
Comedian. Kaya mo ba umiyak?
Ha?
Kaya mo ba umiyak?
Oo, kaya lang nakakatawa pa rin pag umiyak ako eh.
You should audition.
Natawa si
Crying.
Natawa si
Si Rika.
si Rika.
Who's that guy again? Dun sa yung kay Asunta De Rossi. Yung nasa Japan sila.
Sino yun?
Yung may movie siya with another actor na medyo normal, average looking.
Asunta?
Si Mimi Bigote?
Si
Oo.
si Empoy. Si Empoy.
Do you wanna be somewhat like him? Feeling ko parang same kayo ng aura. Ay, oy, grabe.
Mas pogi naman ako ron.
Ay, grabe. Wala akong sinabing
Mas pogi
gano'n.
naman ako.
Nakalamang naman na ilang
Si Rika natatawa. Matawa si
Don't
Rika.
laugh.
Uy, Empoy, wala kami sinasabi.
Wala.
Mas pogi naman ako sa kanya. Grabe naman kayo.
Siya na nagsalita, hindi kami. But do you see yourself, like, in terms of, like, roles, ganun yung...
Okay
role
lang.
mo?
Okay sa akin yun. Yung parang
Because that's what I see.
yung parang iniisip nung girl na simple lang ako. May nasa ko na-feature ako ng spot.ph before.
Yun.
Na one of the top 10 sexy ugly hotties.
Tough.
So, do you like that title?
Sexy
Like-
ugly hotties daw.
Do you take
Okay
that
na
as a
sana
compliment?
eh. May second word eh.
Yeah.
Okay na sana. Sabi nila, sexy ugly hottie, parang sila Mick Jagger, parang mga ganun.
So, did you take offense or no?
Wala, tawa lang ako. Sabi ko, ba't may ugly?
Yun na nga eh, di ba?
That's so offensive.
May ugly.
Tapos nakalagay doon, parang ordinary looking daw ako. Pero dahil may sense of humor ako, yung mga girls, nagugustuhan ako, ganyan.
Grabe naman.
Nakapila
Sobrang
pa ba?
judgmental
Nakapila.
talaga ang mga tao.
Girls, you can call him at toot.
Facebook, Stanley Chi.
But okay, well, let's shift into cars a little bit because Phil Coche and that's a
I do
sponsor.
Suplado Motors.
And Suplado
Yeah,
Motors.
Suplado Motors, yeah.
Exactly. So, we want to ask your opinion about the cars coming in the Philippines, which is mostly Chinese cars. So, what's your opinion on Chinese cars without politics involved? What do you think?
Maganda naman siya. Maganda naman siya eh.
Are you all in for it?
Kung bibigyan mo ako, di ba?
No,
Siyempre.
from all the cars you reviewed na China, what would be your top 3?
Yung made in China ha.
Yeah.
Di syempre yung bagong Ford Territory.
Yes, mabenta.
Di ba?
Yeah.
Oh, malakas yun eh. Oh.
There was a bash video about it. So next week
Yung
in our
bago,
show,
yung bago.
please watch. We will get Real Ryan as our guest
Yeah.
and watch this video.
Yes.
So nung siniraan yung Ford Territory.
Sino nakaaway niya ngayon?
Oh, marami.
Sino kaaway niya kayo? Para dami ah.
That's my first question next week. So Real Ryan, watch this show. I like
joke
that
lang
guy.
yun, mabait naman siya eh.
He's a good
Oh.
guy. Yeah.
Yung bagong Ford Territory I like the newer version.
Okay.
Tapos yung maganda yung mga nilalabas ng GAC.
Yes. That's
Maganda.
the fastest rising Chinese
Maganda.
brand.
Design
Alam nyo,
Get yours at Sumulong Highway.
sa mga sa mga nanonood, manakikinig ng podcast, GAC is a luxury car in China.
China. Yeah.
Yes.
'Di ba? Tapos may partnership sa kanila with Toyota, 'di ba? So,
Yes.
yung makina
It's a really
minsan
nice car.
'di ba?
Ang
Very
dami,
futuristic.
Ang dami kasing tao na they focus more on the it's made in China clause versus
But
Your
everything
phones are
else.
made in China.
Everything
Yes.
is made
Your
You're being
cameras
tracked
are made in China.
By China right now. FYI. You just don't know it.
My
Yeah.
glasses are made in China. Your
Yeah.
clothes,
most
Ma-
likely made in
made in
China.
China.
Yeah.
Made in
I'm made in Chinatown.
I'm made in
Diba?
We're locally imported.
we're locally imported
Locally
as well.
imported
Oo.
from China.
Kumbaga, made in China pero inassemble sa Pilipinas.
Pilipinas. Oo,
Ganon.
yan. Tama yan.
Uh-huh.
Si Jose Rizal nga, Chinese eh.
Yeah.
Kaya
That's
may
our
Chinese
Philippine
blood
hero.
yun, oo, di ba?
Okay.
So, okay lang.
May magagalit na. Tama na.
Walang personalan.
Hindi, yung MG, maganda rin ang nilalabas
Yeah,
ng
That's
MG.
your 3.
Di ba? Oh.
Actually, all of the China kasi medyo sila eh. They're sobrang aggressive when it comes to their designs. Unlike other car brands na Japanese, for example, they're more on the laid back yung design.
Maganda kasi ang Japanese cars din talaga.
Uh-huh.
And, syempre, dahil Toyota country tayo, kahit saan pwede kang makakuha ng pyesa.
Yeah.
Punta ka sa Mercury Drug, may pyesa ng Bios dun.
Oh? Cool. Magulat na lang ako mamaya.
Joke yun, no.
I've never heard of that in my entire life.
Nag-exaggerate lang ako.
No, pero yeah, ganun kadami yung
Ganun karami,
yung Toyota.
oo.
Amazing.
Dumaan lang
So,
makakuha ang bumper 1.5.
Marami talagang pyesa pag Japanese
I cannot
cars.
wait for you to test out. Do you still review cars? Parang hindi ka na humihiram sa amin.
Nung pinahiram mo ako, maling binigay mo sa
At tagal
amin.
na nun. Hindi ka naman humingi ulit eh.
Pairamin mo ako ng kotse, tapos siramin ko, balik ko after 5 years.
Okay,
Gamitin
mo araw-araw. ganun.
Uwi na pala ako.
May magre-resign na po.
Anyways. Yeah.
Ay, i-review ko Mini Cooper. Pairamin mo ako.
No. I'll let you review the best premium car
EV.
right now. Premium car, not just EV. Premium car, Zeekr. It's an entry-level luxury car. It's in the kalaban niya Lotus. Sorry, not Lotus. Sorry, Lotus. Kalaban niya Lexus, Tesla, and Audi.
Sige, 5 years pairam mo sa akin
Okay, let's stop with that. let's keep dreaming. Even I'm not in authority to do that. Guys, thank you so much. But before we wrap up the show, I want to ask. I want everyone here to give a joke, and the one who cracks loses.
Yung matawa. Okay.
Matawa. So,
Parang
I'll give you 2 minutes each. 2 minutes, everyone, to think of a joke right now.
Ito.
Sige.
Paano mo malalaman kung yung tsokolate pang lalaki o pang babae?
Paano?
Pag pang lalaki, plain. Pag pang babae, may mani.
Sorry.
Nagets nyo? Nagets mo rin, di ba?
Yeah. That's a good one.
Si Francis, hindi niya yata naintindihan eh.
Gets ko.
Gets mo.
lang ako.
Hindi siya natawa.
Hindi lang ako natawa.
Sige.
Okay, I'll go next. Try to keep a straight face, and I'm gonna watch you when I'm doing this. It's your mama joke. You laughed already, see? Your mama's so dumb. She studied for a urine test.
Pwede na.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Depende sa audience.
Sige. Bakit sikat si Sadako?
Kasi nasa TV siya.
Hindi.
Bakit?
Kasi lumalabas siya sa TV.
I don't like this anymore. Talo mo dyan.
Francis is the one not laughing at any joke. So why don't you give us one?
Sure ka?
Yeah. Come on, before we wrap it up.
May joke ako kaya alam, baka makancel ako eh.
Hindi. Pwede naman natin i-edit.
Blip niyo blip niyo.
Oh, pwede.
Go na. Wala din ako maisip.
Paano mo palalambutin yung bato?
Palalambutin yung bato.
Di ba matigas yung bato, di ba? Paano mo palalambutin?
Paano?
Bigay mo sa bading. Wala pa yung punchline. Tanong mo kung bakit.
Bakit?
Paano magiging malambot
Paano magiging malambot?
yung bato? Pag binigay mo sa bading, magiging bato.
I have
Hindi lumambot, di ba?
I have a brother who's gay, so I'm fine.
We're not gonna bleep that out. But I want to thank everyone for watching. But before we leave, I don't know if the people will laugh or mababaw lang tayo ngayon.
No, there are other people like us too.
Alam mo yung Darna?
Yes.
Dapat binaban sa TV yan eh.
Okay.
Bakit?
May subliminal messages about drugs yan. Alam mo kung bakit?
Bakit?
Di ba nagbabato siya para maging si Darna? Oo. Si Ding, siya yung poser. Kasi lagi niya sabi, Ding, Ding, ang bato, Ding. Tapos pag nakapagbato na, lumilipad na siya, di ba?
Sabog.
Oo. Yung ending ng Darna, nakalabas na siya ng rehab. Gawa-gawa niya lang yung mga kalaban niya.
Okay.
Witty ka doon. Actually, witty ka doon. In fairness sa'yo, witty ka
We
doon.
cannot wait to watch your stand-up comedy in BGC.
Guys, Viva please, or whoever. Come
Hire
on.
him as a Viva Max star as well, guys. He has the body, the potential, the looks, the jokes.
Wag Viva Max. Viva na.
You know,
Viva
haven't
lang.
you seen?
Sino bang gusto mo makapareha ko sa Viva Max?
Oo nga.
You can pair you with anyone. Swerte yung mga girls na prepare sa'yo.
Basta babae, wag lalaki. Baka mamaya lalaki ipares sa akin.
It is for you. I'm
Magwawala
advertising
ako nun.
it. Kasi gusto mo maging actor. Maybe this is the stepping stone.
Baka mamaya
Join Viva Max.
Yung mga naging stepping stone doon,
ibang kailangan.
iba kailangan doon.
Oo. Madaming artista
Are you
na
willing to
dumaan.
go through those?
Saan?
Hindi.
Wag na, wag na.
Okay na siya.
Oo, okay na ako.
Kaya pang Viva, wag Viva Max.
Well, okay, he's single right now.
Tsaka ano eh, pag nag-Viva Max ako, baka mahiya yung Segura sa akin dahil...
No way!
Ano
We're proud to have you as a brand ambassador of
Sige nga,
Segura.
bigyan mo nga ako ng jacket.
Oh, yun na naman tayo. Baka mamaya patapusin na naman tayo eh.
Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, everyone. Before we leave, I want to ask this question. Both of us were your students. Before you got into WordLab, did you know what dyslexia was?
No.
No. You
Hindi
just
ko
went
alam.
in and just said, oh, I'm
Sinabi
gonna
lang
teach
sped
these
school.
special kids.
Sinabi lang SPED school. Hindi sinabi sa akin na for dyslexic kids.
Yeah.
Ang inisip ko, mga may ADHD, ganon.
But you know what
Well, kasi
ADHD was?
sped.
Alam ko naman ADHD.
But you didn't know what dyslexia was.
Oh,
Did,
hindi,
did
di
you
ko
have a challenging time raising both of us?
Hindi,
For
wala.
1 year? Hindi ka
Wala.
napikuan? Hindi you have, puta, anong pinasukan ko?
Like,
Hindi. Ano lang, very new lang sa akin yung mga lumalabas ng nagpapahabol sa playground.
yeah.
Very bago lang sa akin yun.
Nakita mo ba yung mga teachers na hinahabol kami sa playground?
Hindi ko maalala.
Remember
kasi-
Teacher Jeff? Hinahabol niya talaga si Daniel outside the classroom. That was the
Hindi, si
smartest thing.
Daniel was talagang lumabas siya, nagpahabol sa playground.
Hinahabol mo?
Oo.
Hinabol mo?
Siyempre, kailangan, lumabas eh. Teacher nyo ako, hindi ako pwedeng,
Comedy ka talaga.
hindi ako pwedeng,
Di ba?
That's taking care of your students.
Oo, di ba?
Yeah, but
I think you'll be a good dad. I think lang.
Grabe naman sa you think, I'm sure. Yeah. Feeling ko, lagi nakangiti yung anak ko.
Grabe naman kayo. I think you'll be a good dad. Wala nga ako jowa eh.
Ayun,
Eh,
guys.
well, manifesting.
DM na.
you can follow him on...
Stanley Chi.
Stanley Chi on Instagram, sa TikTok at _Stanley Chi. Tapos, hanapin niyo ako sa Facebook. And please subscribe to the Underpaid Podcast sa
Yes.
Spotify and Apple Podcast. And follow me on my YouTube channel, youtube.com/Stanley Chi and youtube.com/Suplado Motors.
Yan.
Don't forget to follow him or add him on Bumble and Tinder as well.
Yeah.
Gagawa na siya ng account mamaya.
Pag nakita niyo ako sa Bumble or Tinder, mag-swipe right kayo.
Yeah.
Yan.
There you go.
I'm
Hindi ako
sure-
active
Girls
dun.
comment like, hey, sent you a message. Check your DMs.
I'm
Send it
sure
to them.
every girl is gonna have a good time. Yan.
Yeah.
With his experience,
Ibang klaseng good time. Magjo-joke
Alam mo?
ako na magjo-joke.
pwede ka na pwede ka na advice.
Nag-advise
Sex advice sa never mind.
So, dapat panghating gabi na pala to. Lilipat na ba tayo
Ayun na
hating
to.
gabi?
Never
Alam mo
mind.
anong pangalan ng column ko sa FHM? One Night Stand.
Wow, that was a good
Really?
one.
Ganda na,
Yeah.
Don't
ganda.
cut that part. Never mind.
Did you think of that?
Oo naman. Yung nga, kaya ka nung inoferan ako, sabi ko, sige yung title, One Night Stand. Ang reason ko, para pag tinanggal niyo ako, hindi niyo magagamit yung title.
Oh, kasi ikaw.
Ako lang yun. Kasi yung pangalan ko nandun eh.
Good,
Mautak,
good.
mautak. Wala.
You can follow me, Wayne T10, Instagram. And, of course, follow Dashboard Confessions. YouTube, Spotify, and Instagram.
Yes.
How about you?
Naka-private ako, guys, pero I'll public it again. So, Ronja Castran on Instagram and Facebook.
Do you do this thing?
My IG's private.
Oo.
It's okay.
Francis, ba't wala kang joke? Ano yung
Oo
joke
nga.
mo?
Wala talaga akong joke. Wala akong
Ang
maisip.
joke talaga.
As in,
Ako may naisip ako, pero corny.
Ano?
go.
Sige.
Ano ang halaman na nakakatakot?
Ano?
Bamboo!
Okay. Sure.
At least
Ayaw
someone topped mine, right? Nakatawa si Rika. Thank you everyone for watching. I will see you on the next. Don't forget to like and subscribe Dashboard Confessions.